First of all, we have to understand why is it so important to use the pen tool. There are so many other tools in both Photoshop, Illustrator and InDesign as well to create illustrations and just simply draw different things. But you will see that the pen tool has so many advantages and it can be used for so many different things, not just simply to draw. But I'm going to show you a very simple example. Here in Photoshop, I'm going to compare the pencil, the brush, the freeform pen tool, and also the pen tool. So I'm going to draw something very simple, like a moon shape. I am going to draw it first with the pencil. So here on the canvas, I just simply try to draw a moon, something like that. Now, let's see what can I achieve with the brush tool. I am going to do the same thing, and I try to draw a moon. Now, let's switch to a tool called Freeform Pen Tool, which is getting closer to what we are going to learn about, but this is still not the real pen tool. It's not the real deal, but let me show you how it works. So I'm going to select Freeform Pen Tool, and I am going to switch to Shape mode to draw in a shape mode, and I don't need a fill color, I just need a black stroke for this. I'm going to set the point size to probably 1 point. So now I am going to draw, and don't worry, we are going to discuss all these options here on the top in the control bar. So I am going to draw with this tool and try to do the same thing as before. Now this is getting closer to what I need, but it's still not accurate, and as you can see, they did something strange here on the top. So if you want to draw this properly, you can use the pen tool, and with the pen tool this is much more easier to do. I can just simply click once, then click once more, create a curve, then click again here on the top, and then connect these 2 points together, and I have a much better shape, which is also much easier to change. So I can always select any point of this and be as accurate as I want with the shape itself. So I can easily adjust it and work around it. So you will see more examples of how to work with the pen tool, but you can already see the advantages from pencil to brush, from brush to freeform pen tool, and then from freeform pen tool to the pen tool itself. How much more accurate it gets, and also much easier. Of course, it is difficult to use the pen tool because it works differently to like using a pencil on paper or a paint with brush. But if you learn how to use it, it's a skill you will always use while you are designing. And in the next tutorial, I will talk all about the options you see on the top in the control bar or options bar here, and it will be much easier to understand. And I will also talk about all the definitions that you have to know about drawing with the pen tool.